Gibby, you know what day it is?
No, what day is it?
National Milk Day.
Be quiet.
Yes, I'm serious.
Got milk?
Good morning, Topeka High. I'm Lily.
I'm Amira.
And this is your THS Morning Report. Next week, on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, students taking U.S. History and AP U.S. History will be taking a field trip to the Eisenhower Presidential Library and Museum.
On Tuesday, all U.S. History students of Miss Evans, Miss Burgess, Mr. Wrigley, and Mr. Turkovic will be meeting in the student cafeteria first thing and then going to their field trip.
On Thursday, U.S. students of Miss Lattimore, Miss McDuffie, and Mr. Nelson will be meeting in the student cafeteria first thing and then going on the field trip.
On Friday, U.S. History APUSH students of Miss Hirsch and Mr. Schumann will be meeting in the student cafeteria prior to the departing.
All students will return before the end of the day. If you arrive late or you do not want to attend the field trip, please report to your first hour class.
Students must travel in a school-sponsored vehicle and are not allowed to drive themselves.
This week, sophomore Trojan Times will begin to swap old Chromebooks for new ones. Don't forget to bring your charger on the day of your trade.
This week's schedule includes Nitalama and Obrador on Thursday, with Ananetti and Kilbilly on Friday. Guess what we have now?
I don't know, Gibby.
A word from the drama department.
Hi, and welcome to our scene shop. This is where technicians make all of the magic happen for our theater productions. I'm Mrs. Porter and I teach stagecraft. Stagecraft is a great class for any student wanting to step out of the mundane and challenge themselves with hands-on projects. Centered around the technical areas of theater, we learn about construction, design, props, costumes, sound, lighting, and so much more. With so many areas, you're sure to find something you'll enjoy. So if you're looking for a fun, hands-on class that gives you power to create while providing you with life skills, enroll in a stagecraft class today.
Hi, I'm Mr. Jensen. I teach Acting 1, Acting 2, and Advanced Theater Ensemble here at Topeka High School. Acting 1 is a performance-based class where students are able to build their comfort and confidence as a performer through a series of acting exercises, games, and acting scenes. Students will also develop their own creative voice and fundamental acting skills in this course. Acting 2 is a performance-based class that gives students a taste of various acting styles and techniques that allow them to find their own style in approaching an acting role. Advanced Theater Ensemble is a production-based class that allows students an opportunity to produce their own shows, from showcasing their talents in a variety show style showcase, to one-acts, touring children's theater shows, to full-length productions. This class offers both performers and technical students opportunities to produce, direct, perform, and design their own productions under the guidance of the teacher.
Hi, my name's Mr. Kaufman, and I am thrilled to be part of the theater faculty here at Topeka High School in beautiful Hainer Auditorium. And I teach Acting 1, which can serve as your speech credit, or you can learn some good fundamental acting skills in there as a fine arts credit. Serves for both of those. And I'm also very happy to be teaching two very special courses. One is Theater Appreciation, in which we study improvisational acting. Everything is improv, everything is made up off the top of our heads. It's a wonderful, very fun class that can gain you some good self-confidence and some killer acting skills. And I also teach diversity theater, which explores the theatrical works of a rainbow of people of different backgrounds and experiences. We want to make sure that the brown voices, the women's voices, the LGBTQ voices are being heard, and that's what that class is about. So I hope to see you in diversity theater, theater appreciation, and Acting 1.
Welcome back to lunch.
It's what you eatin'.
Okay, I'm Maddie.
I'm Val.
Today you'll be having a pancake porky, a stuffed crust cheese pizza, boneless buffalo wings with graham,
Meatless chipotle bowl,
a cheeseburger,
and a blue rice lemon sidekick.
and that's what's for lunch.
It's what you're eating.
What you eating?
Hey Trojans, need volunteer hours? Sunday the 29th from 12:45 to 3:15 p.m. at Topeka Shawnee County Public Library, You can help out with Dragons and Unicorn involving games, activities, and crafts. If interested, email kzimmerman@tscpl.org to sign up.
The PM Academy will start back up on the 17th. That's next Tuesday. It'll run from 3 to 4:30.
Anyone wanting to go out for softball, there's an informational meeting this afternoon at 3:10 in the cafeteria. They'll be talking about weights, conditioning, and open gym. Don't forget to join our Google Classroom code FO3DIFA.
The Topeka High bowling team has t-shirts and hoodies for sale. Funds raised to help purchase much-needed uniforms and supplies for our team members. Sales close on the 20th, and shirt pickup will be late January. Shout out to Riley Saltz for our design. You can find the link to purchase yours in this morning report's description.
Shout out to the men's swim team who finished in the top half of competitors in the Topeka West Invitational yesterday.
Now for upcoming events.
We have enrollment in Trojan Time,
No traveling, bowling at Gage Bowl,
and wrestling at Highland Park.
and that's all we have for you today, Topeka.
Towers up. Remember,
Dab throughout the day.
dab throughout the day.
And boop the snoot.